So this is the little MGB that we were supposed to do. So this one came from Nick's Rods and Rides. It was originally put together by, I think, Dan and Judy Automotive. So shout out to Jay out there, my buddy, if you remember this car. There it is. Then it went to Nick's for body work and paint. And so Nick took it all apart, did a rust and metal repair, and got it all ready for paint. And I did the gun work on it. So I primed it a couple of times for Nick. And then we brought it over here and finish prepped it for paint. We picked the silver out on my color chips at the shop. This is a Sebring Silver 2003 Honda S2000 color. Which kind of goes along with the theme of this car, because this car has a Honda S2000 drivetrain in it. I think it's an AP1 drivetrain, but it's the full drivetrain with the 6-speed manual, and then it's had the suspension work done. It's gonna be a fun little car. He debated on going to a dark silver, but Nick and I kind of influenced him a little bit, and he decided to go with this lighter silver. I used white sealer underneath it to help it kind of pop a little bit. And with this silver, especially this silver, you have to dry spray it. Not like super dry, but there's a fine line between dry and seeding in order to get the metallics to pile up and not have mottling. So it took quite a bit of finesse work yesterday to get it all laid out, but we got it laid out, and then we put 3 fluid coats on there with 2 cross coats of clear. It's got a full gallon of clear on the car, and she looks really good. I just wanted to walk around and show you it. Hopefully we'll get a video walk around of it when it's assembled. Nick said that he's got to assemble this car. It came in as a driver, so it's going to go back out as a driver. But anyway, there's a silver MGB.